Hey guys, so I'll make it short and sweet. So this video is a video of a local company, Parker's Heating and Cooling here in Northern Vermont. He had a utility bed on the back of his truck. He ended up doing Raptor Bedliner last July. I think it was December he came around, or January maybe he came around. And as you can see by some of the video, it is rusty. I do apologize. It was, again, not only me alone doing the blasting and everything, besides him and his crew, but I didn't have a crew there. So I was trying to do the recording and the blasting and all that good stuff. But anyways, that being said, so we got hold of Raptor, tried to come up with another solution, something that would last longer in the Vermont brine that we use up here during the winter on the road. So we ended up blasting the front, the complete front, complete back, and the lower half of each side, not the top part where his logo was. Blasted down to bare metal, used Raptor anti-corrosive primer, and then we used tintable Raptor liner. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Can't wait to see how this, I can't wait to see how that bedliner blasts.
Yeah.
the seams. There's stuff in the seams. We're gonna try to get that. But as for the back, it's looking pretty good. Okay, we are done the project. This is the back of it. We're all the way down to substrate. They only wanted the bottom half. We're gonna be Raptor lining it here shortly. The front of it, they wanted the whole thing done. And then the bottom half on this side. So on YouTube, we did a couple of lives of us actually blasting. So you can go over on our, on our Facebook channel. You can go over on our Facebook and we have some YouTube lives, or I keep calling it YouTube, Facebook lives, well blasting it to show what we were doing. We have a couple over there. For today, I think today's like the 29th. So you might have to go back to like, yeah, maybe it's the 29th. April 29th? I don't know. It all blends at this point. So, okay guys, we're gonna get the paint ready and then we're gonna end up hitting this. So, check it out. a gun, but I didn't break it down with the jets and all that. Do you want to break down? Do you have a tool?
Yep. Grab that black case over there, Alex.
Yeah. Well, shit, they don't give you much.
Well, this is from the
Oh.
one I did the front.
I was gonna say, holy shit, they ripped you off, dude.